not about do all that. Yeah. Okay. Does he have a phone next to him? No. Okay. Where's the bathroom?
Right there. He just walked out.
Right there. Where?
When you go back to the right, he just locked the door and shut it and locked it. He just unlocked it for you guys.
Straight first.
So when you go in this way, and there's a hallway, and it's right there to the right. But he's not going to be in there now. He may have went to the backyard or something. He's
Backyard.
Okay. He may have. I don't know. He's probably not.
All right, can you, ma'am, can you step back to our patrol vehicles?
Yeah, I'm watching. Make sure he don't come out here.
Okay, that's fine. We got other units coming.
Hey, can we have you guys just go to our patrol vehicles?
Yeah.
Or if you guys want to move the car somewhere.
Chris?
Christopher?
No, just Chris.
Is the dog friendly? Okay.
So the roommates and friends standing outside, subject came out the bathroom, stated he wanted a 902A by cop, and ran into the backyard or somewhere inside the house. Unknown at the time.
Chris! Chris, it's the sheriff's office! You got blood in the doorway.
Yeah.
I'm watching over here. I'll let you guys know if he comes out.
Okay.
I don't feel like I'm around in that corner.
No. Where's the bathroom?
You walk in, there's a big living room, there's a kitchen, there's a kitchen. You can go check that first, but then when you start going down the hall, you first go in.
Chris! Sheriff's office! Can you come out with your hands empty?
Yeah, but I think he might be passed out the downside. They're with mine will probably more.
Okay.
No response.
Someone want to grab a left lethal? We'll push up to the door, call him, see hopefully he hears us or we hear something.
No? Are you going in first?
Or we can just stay lethal.
I'll just close the door and then
Chris!
Hey, Chris, sheriff's office.
Don't push up that far.
Hey, Chris.
I hear movement.
Yeah.
Chris, it's the sheriff's office. Are you okay? Hey, we just want to help you out, bud. What's going on?
I don't like
No.
this.
Step.
we've been here before, remember?
I do not.
I don't like this funnel that we have going on.
Chris!
We're trying to call him out from the door. We hear movement inside. No response.
Hey, Chris!
I'm gonna...
Is the dog friendly?
Yes, they said.
Someone want to hold here? I'll hold here and if you want to go to the back.
Locked right here.
Huh?
It's locked.
You guys have keys to that? No. If you go in that way, you're going to be right into the kitchen. Better go that way. He won't come out that way.
Ma'am, the concern is he has a knife and we can't see around the corner.
You can go into the far part of the room, the far left corner, and you'll be able to see right into the kitchen.
So what's going to happen is once we push, we have to own this space, what we have. So we can clear from the outside. We push and we just hold this way. The thing is, I don't want.
So he's by himself right now?
Yeah, I don't
force him this.
Yeah, I don't feel like we need to. You know, unless
I'm gonna push
he is
across.
bleeding as bad as they.
Are there any other weapons inside?
There's no weapons in there.
No weapons.
No firearms?
No.
I'm gonna push across.
Push across.
Yeah, I'm gonna see if I can see anything. Can't see in. It's covered. Chris! Chris, it's the sheriff's office. Can you hear me? Dude, I don't.
No.
No, I can't see anything.
Movement.
No, I can't see anything.
No movement.
No.
Okay.
There's no. We should just back out. There's no reason for us to be there.
Let's pull out for now.
Yeah, it sucks. Let's say he is injured, but there's no reason for us.
I mean, at this point, we don't know. They're
Yeah.
saying that he's bleeding badly, so we have to get in there at some point.
There's also an update that says one of the RPs said that he's been uncooperative with
Yes, with them.
police and came out with a knife.
Let's just wait until we have.
So that
Some
update
more.
alone, that he may be, previous event, he may have been trying to do a 902A by cops.
Please hurry.
I don't think, is there anybody else coming with you?
I don't think so.
Because I think K9 is coming, and that's not it. That's the only person I was attached.
Which way would you cut it?
No, we're moving. That's what I thought.
They're saying it was a razor blade.
It's up to you, man. What do you want to do?
I don't like the funnel that we're going into. I'd rather.
You want me to go in first?
No.
No. What do you want? Jump the fence?
That's what I'm thinking. You know? So.
Tiny in the bathroom, in the bathroom. Crossed out like you said he was.
So did he come out? That's why there's
No.
blood on the
Not
floor.
when we were here. I like how someone calls and says that last time officers dealt with him, he continued to hold the knife and was uncooperative, and they want us to go in there.
I mean,
Yeah. And then here it goes from
He's not responding. Chris!
the thing is, I don't want us to create the evidence, right?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. They want to push us in. It's like, I'm not going to go in and this guy has a knife.
Absolutely not. Because then, no.
It's on your shoe.
Well, I think we have had it in the past.
But not abusive, you know, right? So self-abuse, right?
Uncooperative becomes cooperative.
Or what is saying about us jumping the fence?
Me and him might do it after he comes back. I don't know why is he so, like, why can't we get access to this? Nothing. We're gonna have to do something.
Oh, yeah. Well, let's get.
We're not gonna send him going.
No, but you must become.
No, okay, you've been asked for a couple days. We're trying to make him talk, okay? We're trying to make him talk.
Be ready.
That's in there.
So, got blood at the door. Supposedly it's a razor.
What's up?
Got blood at the door. Supposedly it's a razor. We have a really bad funnel at the door and it does a hard right. So we can't see anything.
Do you have anybody in the backyard?
No, once he's done talking to him, we might jump the fence and go in the backyard.
Is it locked? They can't get it.
No, it's locked. You got a bolt cutter? As soon as we started approaching the door, we heard movement, but no response.
Yeah, you guys are like moving. I'm like, ooh. I was like waiting for the. I'm like, here, you guys got it. Yeah, let me grab.
And we're not, based on the update of him doing the whole suicide by cop thing. 6 days ago, the guy in our call.
I couldn't find him.
Oh, that must be a different call then. Yeah, hey, so that's the guy in our call.
What's that?
He's got all sorts of. He's got PC-69 recently, as of the 17th.
You have a less lethal, right?
Yeah.
You guys are going to be up front at one, so that way if you come down, it's not a cooperative.
Hey. He's got 69 245C.
All of you guys can go back that way.
So he's fought officers recently.
Oh, shit.
It's friendly. That's,
Hey.
that's what they said.
Hey, can you guys take the phone? Hold on, just give us a second. Do you guys have key to this or the?
So
Hey, Chris, bud. Sheriff's office.
Oh, he's right there.
yeah, I see him. Chris, let me see your hands.
Hey, Chris.
One person.
Chris, let me see your hands, bud. Let me see your hands.
Come on out, Chris.
Chris, let us see your hands, bud.
He's got laceration to his right forearm.
Hey, Chris, we just want to help you out, bud. Come on, please.
Come on, buddy.
Christopher, please come out. Chris, come out so we can help you, so we can get an ambulance to come check you out, bud, with your injuries.
Can you see anything?
Yeah, his right. He got laceration to his right forearm. It looks pretty.
Do you see any weapons in his hands?
I
Hey,
cannot see
Chris.
anything in his right hand. And I can't see his left hand. I can't pull this up.
I can't see his hands either.
Chris, hey, bud.
Chris, we're here to help you. We need you to come out with nothing in your hands.
Who has a tourniquet? Because you're going to need one.
I have one.
Okay.
Yeah, we all got one.
I just want to make sure because
Hey, what's going on today, Chris?
Come on, buddy.
Huh?
I grabbed fucking a soda
Yeah.
right behind me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dude, he's super pale.
Yeah.
Chris, come on.
He's naked.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hey, Chris, man. Hey, I'm sorry for what you're going through, man. We're here to help you, okay?
Come on out, bud.
Hey, how you doing? My name is. I work for the sheriff's department, dude. What's going on today exactly, Chris?
Come on, man. Come on
Can't
out,
see his
bud.
hands, dude.
You
I'm gonna
okay?
get you some medical help, man.
Mister, come on. Please come out. Let's help you.
Can I see your right hand, though? At least, can you wave to me? Wave to your family for me. You did that?
Chris, your family's out here. They want to talk to you. Is that okay with you?
Come on, Mister. Mister, brother, I love you. Please
You have something in his right hand.
Your sister's out here.
He does.
He was holding something in his hands.
He says he's holding something. No, I can't see anything.
Here's the subject is holding something, not sure what it is, but he's still uncooperative, not following directions. Just send
He's also bleeding from his right leg.
Says that he's also bleeding from his right leg.
Chris. Hey, buddy. Hey, Chris.
Come on down. Soda.
Hey, we'll get you a soda if you come on out. I mean, there's
Here. You're gonna be the best one at talking. Do you want to just see what Sarge wants?
Yeah, we'll get you a soda.
Stay one on gun.
Do you like Coke or Pepsi? Do you like Coke or Pepsi, bro?
Chris.
You feeling lightheaded, Chris?
What?
You starting to feel a little lightheaded?
No. Hey, buddy. You want some soda, dude? You feeling low on sugar, or you're not looking so hot, man?
I don't see anything as left hand, right?
Nothing is, Chris.
Hey guys.
Sarge wanted us to back out.
He's going out.
Okay.
He's gonna go out.
He's going inside. He's going inside.
Yeah, so, there's been that.
Looked like he was gonna faint. Yeah, going back inside. He's in bad shape.
Oh, sorry. They're saying that he's gonna faint.
He's got a soda. He's got a knife in his hand. Got a knife. Got a knife. Back up, Bruce. Back up.
Dude. Stay there. Stay there.
Hey, drop the knife. Drop the knife. Drop the knife.
Hey, Chris. Relax. Hey,
Drop the knife. Drop the knife.
the knife. The knife. Oh, yeah.
Get away from
back.
me!
Back up.
Back up! You shot my brother! You shot my brother! He tried! You must know harm! You must know it! You shot my fucking brother! You shot my brother! What is wrong with you? I'm sorry to you! He needs help!
Hey, I'm gonna go and grab the knife.
Banana,
I'm back in the house.